Hi, this is Kim Lee from Getac. I'm the Solutions Manager responsible for the Global Industry Solutions Planning. In this video, I will introduce ZX80-I, the integrated type GCS from Getac. It sits at the core of the CommandCore ecosystem and is designed for real-world deployment in the field. The ZX80-I mounts directly onto a standard moly plate carrier, right on the operator's chest. It helps operators stay focused on their missions for long periods of time. The chest mount is even compatible with a ZX80-I fitted with a high-capacity battery, which is also hot swappable, so the operation won't be interrupted during long-hour mission. The 8-inch display delivers 1,000 nits of brightness, making it fully readable in direct sunlight. When the light feed matters, visibility won't be your concern. In addition to USB Type-C and RJ45 connectors, the ZX80-I offers maximum flexibility through its Focal interface. This allows customization to add mission-specific features, such as the Nick Warrior connector. It is designed to fit into your architecture, not force you to redesign around it. ZX80-I is a military standard A10H compliant, IP65 rated, with a wide operating temperature range. It is more than just a ruggedized GCS. It is built for demanding environments. Whether you are integrated into a defense program or operating in drone missions, this is a platform built for your mission, not a compromise.